The legal fight between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has reached a critical juncture. With Ripple gaining ground, many are wondering if the SEC's relentless pursuit is starting to backfire. Stuart Alderoty, Ripple's chief legal officer, recently highlighted the flaws in the SEC's appeal efforts, suggesting that the regulatory body might find itself in an even weaker position than before. Could this be a turning point for both Ripple and the wider crypto industry? At the heart of Ripple's defense is the fair notice argument. This claim revolves around whether Ripple had a clear warning from the SEC that their token, XRP, was considered a security and violated securities laws. The key question posed by this defense is, could an average person have reasonably understood that XRP was illegal under existing regulations? Ripple argues that they did not receive adequate notice and that their fair notice defense remains strong. During an earlier stage of the case, known as an interlocutory appeal, Judge Analisa Torres ruled in favor of Ripple, allowing the fair notice defense to be used. This ruling presents a significant hurdle for the SEC, as they now have to argue that the judge misunderstood the law when she ruled against them. Pushing this argument could weaken the SEC's case further and potentially set a legal precedent that restricts the agency's future enforcement actions in the crypto space. As the case moves to the Second Circuit Court of Appeals, several outcomes are possible. The court could uphold Judge Torres' ruling, expand her decision, or send the case back to a lower court for further deliberation. However, a remand seems unlikely, leaving the SEC with fewer options to achieve a favorable outcome. Alderoty's comparison of the SEC's pursuit of Ripple to Captain Ahab's obsessive chase of Moby Dick paints a vivid picture of the agency's current dilemma. In this analogy, SEC Chair Gary Gensler is Captain Ahab, fixated on securing a legal victory, while Ripple's defenses only grow stronger. The irony of the situation could turn the legal proceedings into something of a courtroom drama, with Ripple edging closer to a win and the SEC appearing increasingly desperate. The next ruling from the Second Circuit Court will be pivotal. If the court upholds Judge Torres' decision, it could significantly alter how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the U.S. Ripple's fair notice defense has placed mounting pressure on the SEC, which could lead to a precedent that changes how regulatory bodies approach similar cases in the future. For Ripple, a win would not only vindicate its long-standing defense, but could also pave the way for broader adoption of XRP in the crypto industry. For the SEC, such an outcome could force a strategic reevaluation of its approach to cryptocurrency enforcement. With so much at stake, the coming months could mark a defining moment for both Ripple and the future of crypto regulation. So, that's the update for now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.